Hi everyone, this is Abhinav from Phone Bunch, and today we are unboxing and taking a look at the Flip Shell for the 2nd Gen Moto G, available at 50% discount from Flipkart if you buy the phone from them. We've got it in royal blue color. It's available for rupees 1700, but with the phone rupees 850. So you can see it has a textured back which feels really great to hold in the hand, just like the previous Moto G's flip covers as well. On the inside you have a microfiber lining which protects the phone. There are some instructions on how to place a flip cover by replacing the original back cover. If you see the original back cover, it too has a matte finish. It's not textured and it's very flexible and very bendy if you see that. But the new one, it's actually very hard. It doesn't bend or flex that easily at all. Now let me just place the back cover on. Now this cover feels really solid. It will add a little heft to your phone definitely, but will really secure your phone and you can be confident that it will look good on it. So you can see everything is accessible, all the ports are open, a perfect fit. Now the back part has a design element to it as well, the camera portion, you can see that. It's raised a bit too. Now if you come to the front, you have cutouts for both the speakers and you have access to the notification LED at the top as well. Now just like the original Moto G, this phone has a sleep sensor as well. So it wakes up your phone as soon as you open the flip. You see it like there. But the magnetic action is actually not that strong here. I'll just show that to you by comparing it to the previous cover. So you can see that it remains locked and doesn't open even if you shake the phone. The magnet is really strong on that one. But here if you see, it just opens up very easily. Now this is not what you would have expected. It's a weaker magnet I presume. But Motorola still claims that it should stick on the phone. And now it's giveaway time folks. We are giving away this Moto Flip Shell. All you need to do is log into the contest widget. The link is in the description. Enter a few details, share it with your friends to gain more entries. We'll be back with more giveaways, more review videos very soon. Till then you can watch a full review of the 2nd Gen Moto G as well as its gaming review from right here. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching and as always have a great day.